Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete your Facebook account. Follow these steps to successfully deactivate your account. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Look for the hamburger menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines, in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the main menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings menu, tap on Settings. Next, navigate to Account Center and tap on it. From there, select Personal Details, and then go to Account Ownership and Control. Continue by tapping on Deactivation and Deletion. Within this section, you will find the option to delete your account. Choose Delete Account and confirm your decision to proceed with the deletion process. It's important to understand that deleting your Facebook account is irreversible, so ensure that you have backed up any important data or information before proceeding with this step. By following these straightforward instructions, you can effectively delete your Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the account deletion process on Facebook.